G, good sir? Dude. No, well, the hipsters are very happy these are on the goddamn G.
To be fair, they like everything.
Except black people.
That's true. If I'm being honest, 160s were much better. But like, at least they fit better than the 211s.
Well, you say that because like the fucking 211s barely have ran on these before.
Attention everyone. Riding outside of subway cars is extremely dangerous.
She meant that for me.
We want you to be safe. Ride inside, stay alive.
She said that as I was looking out the car. She meant that for me.
Hello everyone. The New York City Police Department would like to remind you to keep your belongings in sight and stay aware of your surroundings.
This is 21st Street.
Hello everyone. The New York City Police
You just
Department
fucking
would like
played
to
this.
remind you to keep your belongings in sight and stay aware of your surroundings. If you see something suspicious in the station or on the train from a police officer or an MTA employee, then
Get the hell out of the way.
Wasting the fucking announcements, bro.
Another 211.
It's a 211T.
That is a 211T. I didn't even. Oh shit, it is. Has the gangways.
This is an open-bound G train. The next stop is Greenpoint Avenue.
Yeah, we got to catch the 211G too at Smith.
Please be careful with your belongings. Hold on to your bag and don't carry your wallet or phone in your back pocket.
Hello everyone. This is a reminder that don't
Why are you playing these same?
Excuse me? That if you do, you could be fined, receive a civil penalty, or be escorted from the country.
Hello
Oh my
everyone.
God.
The New York City Police Department would like to remind you that backpacks and other large containers are subject to random search by the police. Thanks for riding
No,
with us.
he has a TOD. He's like, I'm gonna play every single goddamn announcement there is on this fucking TOD.
Hello, a crowded subway is no excuse for unlawful sexual conduct. If you believe that you have been the victim of a crime or witness to a crime, please tell an MTA employee or police officer.
He's gonna do this for the whole trip. Watch, he's about to do another one. I'm telling you right now. Like, just give it like no more.
And then when he's done, he's just gonna keep playing them.
He's just gonna play the same thing. Like, bro, people are trying to get home, but then they just have to hear.
This is
Right.
Greenpoint Avenue. Attention everyone. There are over 150 accessible subway stations. Please check mta.info/elevators for real-time elevator status at your station. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the front of the platform. This is a Church Avenue-bound G train. The next stop is Nassau Avenue.